Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Dawn from Total Drama Island on Just to Impress, removing everything except for the ones I use accessory adjustments on. For the hair, I use this hair in toggle bangs only, in this color FFD893, position DY 0.48. Then I use this hair in the same color, and no toggles and no position, like no adjustments. Select this for the color it 72A9A5. It is this scarf here. In this position, Y.63, Z.6. Rotate the X to 0.53 and scale it to 0.3. Select these earmuffs here, color it white and this gray. Position the Y at 0.48 and that's it. Now for the outfit, it is actually pretty simple and you don't need VIP for this. So get this top here and color it this green. 5B6032 and get this skirt and color it this color 534141 and that the buttons 2 in matte. Get these stockings leggings and color it like purplish, I guess. Wait, like a darker purple though, so I'm gonna just make it a little bit darker. And then I just wore these heels in black. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.